Hi, I'm Enzo Bautista and welcome here sa Umoda Jayco Pasig Branch. Sa mga naghahanap kung saan ang branch namin, sobrang dali lang. Nandito lang tayo sa Semicon Building, katabi lang kami na Ayala Feliz, along Marcos Highway, Barangay de la Paz, Pasig City. So guys, kung gusto nyo mag-test drive ng EJ6 natin, all you have to do is just send me a message. Again, I am Enzo Bautista, or you can call me Zoo TV. So I have my YouTube channel. So guys, I'm inviting you here. So kung nakikurious kayo kay EJ6, tara, mag-test drive tayo. See you guys!